The 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike is the latest evolution of a touring icon that has consistently set the benchmark for long-distance comfort, advanced technology, and sheer road presence. While the standard two-wheel Gold Wing has always been a favorite among tourers, the Trike version brings a new level of stability and confidence, especially for riders who prefer the extra support or are seeking greater balance on the road. This model is expected to carry over Honda's renowned engineering with some minor refinements and cosmetic upgrades, particularly in the special 50th anniversary edition, which celebrates decades of Gold Wing excellence. At the heart of the Gold Wing Trike lies Honda's iconic 1833cc flat-six engine. This horizontally opposed six-cylinder layout offers a low center of gravity and exceptional balance. It generates around 125 horsepower and an impressive 170 Nm of torque. The engine is liquid-cooled and designed for long-distance reliability, with a refined fuel injection system that delivers smooth, consistent power delivery. Paired with either a traditional 6-speed manual transmission or Honda's advanced 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the Trike allows riders to experience seamless gear shifts with or without a clutch lever. The DCT transmission is one of the major selling points of the Gold Wing Trike. It eliminates the need for clutch engagement and gear shifting during rides, making long-distance travel or navigating city traffic much easier. Honda also includes a walking mode and reverse function with the DCT, which is extremely helpful when maneuvering this large machine in tight spaces or parking areas. These features reflect Honda's dedication to comfort and convenience, especially for mature riders or those who prioritize ease of handling. In terms of ride quality, the Trike uses a modified chassis based on the Gold Wing's double wishbone front suspension system. This unique setup separates the steering and suspension forces, reducing front-end dive during braking and absorbing road imperfections with incredible finesse. The rear of the Trike typically incorporates a custom-built suspension set up by aftermarket conversion companies like Motor Trike or California Sidecar, ensuring a stable and plush ride even over long hours on the road. Handling a Trike of this size, which weighs over 850 pounds even before conversion, requires confidence. That's where the third wheel shines. By eliminating the need to balance at a stop or during slow maneuvers, the Trike makes touring more accessible and less physically demanding. While it doesn't lean into turns like a two-wheeler, the added stability gives riders peace of mind and opens up motorcycling to those who may have concerns about strength or balance. Performance-wise, the 2025 Gold Wing Trike isn't about blistering speed but rather effortless cruising power. It can comfortably reach speeds of 140 to 150 miles per hour, but its strength lies in how smoothly and confidently it gets there. Acceleration is silky, thanks to the torque-rich engine and finely tuned DCT. It handles highway overtakes with ease and maintains composure even when fully loaded with gear, passengers, and luggage. One standout feature of the Gold Wing is its ride mode selection. Riders can toggle between Tour, Sport, Rain, and Econ modes, adjusting throttle response, transmission mapping, and traction control. Sport mode sharpens the bike's reflexes, offering quicker gear shifts and firmer suspension, while Tour and Econ prioritize comfort and fuel efficiency. Rain mode softens power delivery and enhances grip, offering additional safety during wet conditions. The Trike version includes all the premium touring features that make the Gold Wing legendary. A large, electrically adjustable windscreen keeps wind and rain off the rider while automatically retracting when the ignition is turned off. Heated grips and seats come standard, ensuring year-round riding comfort. The integrated infotainment system features a 7-inch TFT display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing navigation, music, and hands-free calls at your fingertips. Storage is another strong point. The Trike version often comes with an upgraded rear section including a 61-liter trunk, saddlebags, and a rear-mounted luggage rack. These compartments are waterproof and lockable, giving riders the freedom to carry plenty of gear for extended trips. Additionally, the passenger seat includes a large backrest, armrests, and floorboards, turning long rides into a luxury experience. Design-wise, the 2025 model doesn't stray far from its well-established look but adds fresh touches like new color schemes, upgraded badging, and special graphics on the 50th anniversary edition. The bike has a bold, aerodynamic design that not only looks great but also improves wind deflection and fuel efficiency. LED lighting front and rear ensures excellent visibility, while details like sculpted body panels and chrome accents lend a premium feel. Speaking of efficiency, the Gold Wing Trike's fuel tank holds around 5.5 gallons, and real-world mileage averages about 35 to 40 mpg depending on riding style and terrain. The bike's electrical system is powered by a 12V battery, which supports all onboard electronics, lighting, and accessories. Unlike electric motorcycles, there is no plug-in charging or electric range. The Trike is fully gas-powered with a traditional alternator charging system. Safety remains a key priority on the 2025 model. The Gold Wing Trike includes ABS, traction control, hill start assist, and a smart key system with remote unlocking. The braking system uses large, ventilated discs with electronic brake force distribution, ensuring that all three wheels stop efficiently and safely. For added convenience, many trike builders incorporate parking brakes and upgraded lighting for enhanced nighttime visibility. Pricing varies based on the version and whether the Trike is factory-built or an aftermarket conversion. The base Gold Wing Tour DCT model starts around $30,200. The 50th Anniversary Edition, which includes commemorative features and exclusive trim, starts just under $31,000. Once converted into a trike by companies like Motor Trike, CSC, or Roadsmith, the final price can range from $48,000 to $57,000, depending on customization and features. As for availability, Honda began shipping 2025 Gold Wings in late 2024, with trike conversions becoming available in early 2025 through certified dealers. Demand is expected to be high due to the limited edition anniversary model, so those interested in purchasing are encouraged to contact local dealerships or conversion companies soon. Waitlists and pre-orders are already forming in some regions. In summary, the 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike is not just a motorcycle, it's a rolling luxury suite designed for those who live to tour. It combines comfort, power, reliability, and safety in a package that caters to both experienced riders and those transitioning into three-wheel riding. With Honda's trusted engineering and decades